And ever since then, I have been taking these shots every morning in empty stomach and there's no going back. It's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Amla, rich in vitamin C, helps to brighten your complexion, while ginger and turmeric works together to fight inflammation and supports your immune system. Also, don't forget to add a pinch of black pepper to it to enhance absorption and take this shot to the next level. Now blend everything together and strain the juice from it to get the perfect ginger shots. Now you can store it in the refrigerator in an airtight container. I was battling viral cough and cold a few days ago, so I took this ginger shot.